Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you how to make this amazing product slider mobile animation in Figma. So let's get started. First of all, let's make a frame. Now let's make a rectangle. Make it at the back of all layers and add gradient to it. Now add another rectangle and make its color white. Add some radius to it. Now let's add some text. Select it and convert it in frame. Now duplicate the text. Now rename it. Now select all the text frames and convert them in another frame. Now select the frame, drag upward from bottom, and make sure to enable clip content. Auto layout. Now add a fill and make text color white. Add some width and height. Now add some radius. Now let's add some images. Make sure all the layers is in the frame. Now select Ellipse tool and make a shadow. Duplicate it, and also add it in all images. Now select all the images and drop shadow. Don't select the main image. And add a layer blur. Now select the frame and add clip content. Now duplicate the frame. Now select the left side blur image and drag it left. Now select the main image of second frame. Make its size smaller and place it at the left image. Now add a blur to it. Now select the right side blur image of second frame. Make its size larger and put it in center. And disable its layer blur. Now duplicate the frame. Do the same that you have done with second frame. Now duplicate the frame. Now do the same with it also. Now duplicate the frame. Now do the same with it also. Now go to the first frame. Select the text frame. Hit Enter to select the inner frames and drag upward. Now go to second frame. Select the text frame. Hit Enter to select the inner frames and drag upward. Now do the same with the other frames. Now let's prototype them. Start with first frame. Select the main image and connect to the second frame. Choose on drag. Animation will be Smart Animate. Curve Gentle. And duration will be 800 milliseconds. Now let's see how it's look. Looking's good. Now at second frame, select the main image. Connect with the third frame. Animation will be same. Do the same with other. Now let's add a reverse animation, so that animation will be reverse. Start with the last frame, select its main image, and connect with its before frame. Animation will be same. Now select the second last image and connect with its before frame. Animation will be same. Now let's see how it's look. It's looking's good. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and press the bell icon for new videos.